Hey, good morning, guys. Let's look at some gaps this morning. The Qs, this is the chart of the daily Qs. After a bottoming tail formed on last Friday, after going down 7 days in a row, it looks like we could have a turnaround day today. Market looks like it's going to be gapping up pre-market. If we get over yesterday's high at the open, we can play the first 5-minute pullback above 69.29. First 5-minute bicep above 69.29 for today. Would like to go over a couple earnings gap ups that are gapping up on earnings today. The first is Tyson. Tyson Foods is gapping up to 1770, right about this area, gapping over this pivot, and this pivot. So Tyson at the open here, if we see relative strength, we can look to buy Tyson at the open as a pro money type of a gap, gapping over several pivots. Lowe's is another stock gapping up this morning on earnings, gapping over several pivots. Opening looks like it's going to open up above the 33.63 area, which would be among all these pivots. It would be also one of our favorite gaps to look at this morning right off the bat as a long. Now the market's gapping up quite a bit this morning, so we want to look for relative strength. If you want to look for relative strength and go something long, these are two of the favorite candidates to look for. If you're looking to go short, as I like to often go short when the market gaps up, there are a couple shorts I'd like to mention as well. Diamond Foods, DMND, is the first that looks to be gapping down. This is going to just be more of a continuation gap. It looks like it's going to be opening under this 1450 area, under the previous support that it bounced here on the 15th and over Friday's bar. Not gapping under green, so not the highest rated gap, but there are only a few things gapping down today. This would be one to look at as possible relative weakness and something that we could short. A second stock I want to mention gapping down is ARUN, ARUN. Looks like it's going to open up right under this 1835 and also 1826. So it's under this daily pivot, but it still has to clear 1780 and really under 1764 before it's out in the open. So once it gets under 1764, if that were to happen, we'd look to short that, possibly if something sets up. So there's a few longs and a few shorts that we will be looking at this morning, and we'll continue on with the analysis.